Hello dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. I hope you guys are doing really well in your life. It's morning 8 a.m. okay, and I welcome you all on my channel. So this is a general reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising, and this might or might not resonate with you because it's a general reading. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed any time. Okay, so please keep that in mind. Now let's start. Aquarius, your partner's current energy right now is see. Aquarius, let's see what's your partner's current energy right now. Just give me a second. Your partner's current energy right now is Sun. Could be dealing with a Leo. Aquarius, I feel like right now your partner is in a happy zone of their life. At least they are showing that they are really very happy, and they are energetic like a kid. They are enjoying life. They are doing something in their life. Spiritual awakening thing is happening in their life. Consciously or unconsciously, they are getting some kind of spiritual awakening, some kind of enlightenment. They are really happy in their life, enjoying life as it is coming, and they might be showing it to you, pretending it to you. We will clarify it further, but yes, right now this person is in a right frame of mind and enjoying life, and feeling very good about them, about their life in general. Okay, let's clarify the Sun in their current energy. Eight of Pentacles, King of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. Give me a second. Yeah, okay. So I feel like this person is really happy because they are making money, and they are very clear about their intentions. They are like, they are like, I don't want any kind of shit in my life. I've gone through a lot in my life. I just need peace. And from according to them, the worst is over in their life, and they are starting a brand new life with happiness. So I feel like they're not pretending it. They are actually really very happy in their life. They are doing good in their finances. They are making money. They are they are making some kind of business work. They are making some kind of project work, and that's why this person right now is very clear about their intentions, that they don't need any kind of shit in their life. They just want to focus on themselves right now, and according to them, the worst period of their life is over. Now they can start their life all over again. That's why this person right now is in a very happy life, happy zone. Okay, let's see your current energy. Aquarius, what's your current energy? Aquarius, your current energy right now is your current energy right now is Knight of Swords. I feel like you want to rush into something, okay? Or it might also be possible that you are stopping yourself to rush into something. It is the Knight of Swords energy. This is a very rushy energy, and this is not mature energy actually. I feel like you're not thinking about this. You just want it. You just feel like, I just want it very quickly in my life. Let's see what this is, that you want in your life, and that you are very passionate about, you can say. So it's like, you are just rushing into something, and that's making you really, what should I say, impatient. Impatient energy right now. Let's clarify. Nine of Cups, the Knight of Wands, Ten of Wands. Okay, so you feel like there is somebody in your life who is your wish fulfillment. They make you really happy. You are still very passionate about them, and although you are very passionate about them, you feel like this person or this connection is a burden to you. And you just want to release the burden, and you want to rush into this connection all over again with this particular person, whomsoever you are connected with. This is your situation right now. So you want to rush into a connection, rush into a relationship without even thinking, without even giving it a thought. You are like, I don't know what the hell is happening. I just want this connection. I just want this person in my life. No matter how hard it is, no matter how impossible it is, I just want this person. This is the thing. I don't feel emotions here. Yeah, you feel like this person is your emotional fulfillment, happy. This person is your happiness, and this person is your wish fulfillment. I feel like you are very passionate about them as well. You are very passionate about them. Okay, you feel like you are very physically attracted towards them, and although you feel like this is burden, this connection is a burden. You want to live this burden, and you want to start this connection all over again. Not just start, you want to rush into this connection. This is your situation. Aquarius, let's see what this person feels for you. What this person feels for you, let's see. Aquarius, let's see what this person feels for you. Let's see. Death. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. This person is feeling that this relationship is over. There's nothing left in this connection. So they are going through a period of their life where they're transforming. Okay. After this breakup thing, this person is totally transforming. And this person is right now taking this connections breakup or this walking away thing very positively. This is the situation here. This is what they are feeling for you. Let's clarify the death in what they feel for you. Let's clarify the death card. Lovers, Wheel of Fortune, and the Nine of Pentacles. I feel like this person took some kind of decision, and this person is feeling like the universe is with them. The universe is supporting them in their endeavor of becoming something in their life. So I okay. So I feel like right now this person is focused on themselves, on their money, on their luxuries, on their business, rather than the love angle. So this person is taking some kind of decision. They already took a decision that they will not, run behind you or anyone. They will just, leave everything on the universe, and the universe will guide them. Universe will help them in becoming a very very stable person, independent person, and loving person and caring person for themselves. This is what they are feeling. So they are feeling like this relationship is over. There's nothing left in this connection. Okay, Aquarius, this is what they are feeling for you. This ending is bringing new beginnings in their life. So I feel like they are opening up to new realms in their life, and that's making them really really connected to the universe. This is the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Five of Pentacles. I feel like right now this person wants you to walk away from this, cold and off situation. This, on and off relationship. So I feel like you guys are on and off with each other. This is like some days you are very passionate about each other. The another day you are just not, talking to each other. So this person wants you to quit the mind games, quit playing games with them, quit playing game with yourself. And right now this person wants you to just walk away for the time being. This is the thing. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles and what they want. Let's clarify. This person wants you to come out of this victimization state. I feel like this person is feeling like you are self-victimizing yourself, and this is the situation where you just have to come out of this yourself. They can't help you. This is the situation. Let's clarify. The Six of Wands, the Hanged Man, and the Six of Cups. I feel like this person wants you to become something in your life. This person wants you to, see the things according to their point of view as well. Okay, try to understand their point of view as well. And this person wants you to be normal, to be happy as you were in the past with them. Okay, so this is like right now this person wants you to come out of this victimization state of mind, and this person wants you to become something in your life. This person wants you to become passionate for yourself, for your work, for your job, for your looks, for your everything. They want you to see another people's point of view as well. They want you to come out of this stuck zone, and they want you to be happy as you were in the past. Might be with them, might be without them, but this person wants you to be happy. This is what they want from you. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July. Let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July, Aquarius. Six of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like this person will give you an offer. Might be you are going to give an offer to them, to have equal give and take of energy in this connection, or might be to start this connection all over again. Because I feel like you want this connection. You want this connection badly in your life. Although you feel like this connection is burdensome, you want this connection in your life. Okay, and you want to have equal give and take of energy. I don't feel like this person is coming back towards you with this kind of offer. I feel like intuitively I'm feeling like you are going towards them, and you are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy from your side, and you are being very very impatient. You just have to be patient, Aquarius. This is not how relationship works. You just have to be really patient about them, about any connection in the universe. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords. Okay, I feel like this person wants to communicate with you. Open and honest communication. No hide and seek, no mind game, nothing. And this person wants to release the control. This person is just now holding a lot of things in their mind, in their soul. Might be this is you. I told you the roles can be reversed anytime. You want to connect with them, you want to communicate with them, or it is vice versa, or it is from both the sides, because it is equal give and take of energy. And this person wants to release the control, release the emotions. I feel like right now they are trying to control each and everything in their life, and that's not possible at all. Okay, and they are on the crossroads, emotionally off, emotionally detached. Right now, this person is emotionally detached and is on the crossroads, whether to talk to you or not, whether to give this connection second chance or not. This could be you. But yes, most of the times I'm feeling like you are feeling like this, you are going to do that. Okay, or it is a mixed package of you versus that, you and him or her, both of you are doing that. Okay, so Aquarius, this is a reading of your sun sign. Okay, till 10th of July. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. Namaste.